Today we'll be talking about lenses. A lens is a piece of glass or transparent plastic that refracts light. Some lenses collect light while others scatter light. A lens that collects light is known as a convex lens, while a lens that scatters light is known as a concave lens. When light rays are coming from an extremely far object, they are parallel. When parallel light rays reach a convex lens, they get converged and collected into a single point known as the focal point. On the other hand, concave lenses diverge the parallel light rays, and the focal point is the virtual intersection of the extensions of the light rays. Any lens has two focal points. When something is closer to a convex lens than its focal point, its image is magnified. But an image with a concave lens is always minimized. Lenses are used in making refractor telescopes. Also, a magnifying glass uses a convex lens. Lenses are also used in microscopes. Lenses are used to treat long-sightedness and short-sightedness. Did you like this video? Bye! See you next time.